Gonna use some hickory nuts. Get that smoke going. What y'all think about that? That's recycling right there. Hey y'all, welcome back. Calvin's Corner 72. Today we're cooking shish kebabs. Shrimp shish kebabs wrapped with bacon and doused down with a little bit of gator shake. That's right. Papa Texas sent me some gator shake. Uncle Steve's shake. This stuff's gonna be awesome. I actually took the liberty of opening this thing, and I took my finger and stuck it down in there and got a little taste test of it. It's got a little lime kick to it. It's really, really good, and I can't wait to try it on these shrimp shish kebabs. I'm gonna try it on a little bit of tilapia, however you want to say it, as well. Papa Texas sent me this, y'all. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna do a little Dutch oven cooking today on my camp-made cook set. Y'all got to stick around and check this out. This is gonna be awesome. Y'all get on over there and check out Papa Texas. That's right. Yeah, Papa Texas, yeah. Wow. What was that? All right, guys, what I got is some shrimp, some tilapia, gator shake, some bacon, onions, some buttonhead mushrooms. Let's put these things together. I'm gonna coat it down really good. Coat down the shrimp. We got some shrimp, we got some Vidalia onions, and some buttonhead mushrooms. I'm gonna wrap it in some bacon. We're gonna put it on this grill right here. Should be pretty good. I want to put a whole lot on here. I really want to get that flavor out of this. Got some big thick sliced bacon here. It's a good thing to keep some toothpicks around. Just like that. Okay guys, I done flipped everything once. I'm gonna drop this down here and I'm gonna put some hickory nuts in here. Wet hickory nuts. Should produce some smoke. They don't cost a thing, guys. They're everywhere. They're all in my yard. If you got a hickory nut tree, you know what I'm talking about. Free is the best. Okay, we got our hickory nuts on. It's starting to smoke some. Let's put this Dutch oven over the top. It's a 10-inch Dutch oven. That will trap the smoke. As you see, it's already doing it. We're gonna have some good smoked flavor coming out of that. Should be awesome. It's real easy to do. Guys, I need to get you one of these camp-made cook sets if you hadn't got one already. See what this looks like. Oh yeah. Them's turning out just right. Look at the goodness, guys. Look at the goodness. Hey guys, well, the rest of them still cooking over there, and they're not quite done yet, the shrimp, but the fish got done really fast. So I'm gonna try one of these, and we're gonna see what she tastes like. Billy Strong from Strong's Adventure, he does Dutch oven cooking, guys. You need to go check him out. I'll have his link down below. Him and Papa Texas both, together when they cook. Billy Strong is in Louisiana. Papa Texas is in Texas, naturally. When they go together, I think they call it Texla Dutch oven cooking. It's pretty awesome, y'all. They got some good Dutch oven videos over there. I think Papa Texas, if I'm not mistaken, puts his Texla videos in his alternate channel, which is Papa Texas Unfiltered. I'll put that link down below, but I think Billy Strong also puts his down on his on Strong's Adventure, so go check him and Rhonda out. They got a great channel. I know y'all like Dutch oven cooking. Most of y'all are here for Dutch oven cooking. You check them out and you'll get some real good Dutch oven cooking, I'm telling you. They're really good. But let's check this out and see how this is. I really appreciate it. Uncle Steve's, he has a YouTube channel as well. I think he's got one video up right now. But you can order this from him, and I'll have his link down below so you can go check this out and get some of this if you want it. And remember now, don't let it get too low or the merch line. It means you got to get some more. It's really good stuff, guys. All right, let's check it out. Oh, that's not a big enough piece, is it? I got smoke on me. Look at that. That is done to perfection. Golly, all the smoke. The flavor immediately, the lime, the citrus, you know, the flavor. It does have a spice at the back. It does get you in the back of the throat. So if you got young kids, they may or may not like this, but it's got a kick. Yeah, it's got a kick. I think it's really good though. That lime. Another thing I think would be awesome is if you make homemade salsa. You know how when you call for cilantro and it calls for lime and all your peppers and everything? This right here would be awesome to make some salsa with. You put like say you ran out of your lime. You didn't have none. This got so much lime and kick in it. You put this in there, it's gonna kick it up, I can guarantee you. I like Gators anyways. Go Gators, baby. And Steve, you got an awesome sauce, awesome spice right here, buddy. Gator shakes. It's really, really good, guys. Uncle Steve's. And I want to thank Papa Texas for sending me this. He sent me all these stickers right here, guys. Y'all go check old Papa Texas out. He does Dutch oven cooking too. Right here is the sticker. I'll have close-ups of these somewhere right in here. And this is Papa Texas and Billy Strong, where they do the Texla Dutch oven, and this is Papa Texas and his granddaughter Maddie. So they do some awesome, videos on his channel. Y'all go check them out. You'll really like it. All right, I got to get back over here. It looks like I need to turn this shrimp. I wanted to show y'all this thing here is really simple and easy to use. It's got a little piece in the middle, just folds up like that, and then the whole thing just folds together, and it's got a little pouch that goes in. You mash the little button, it folds down complete like this. Campmade.com. If you go down below and hit the link, put in GOUDY 20, you get 20% off. And sometimes they have free shipping as well. So y'all really need to check it out. If you want one of these awesome shirts like I got, go over to Papa Texas' channel. He's got a link to teespring.com where you can purchase one of these like I did. Appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner 72. Wood shrimp's about ready, y'all. Wow! Alright guys, we're back. Looks pretty awesome to me. How about y'all? Oh man. Shrimp on the Barbie. Bacon wrap. Telling you what, boys. Thank you, Papa Texas, for sending me this gator shake. Thank you, Uncle Steve, for making it. Y'all get over and check out Texla Dutch Oven Cooking. Oh my God. The smoke flavor in that, guys. This bacon. The shrimp. That's a little tail. I don't eat the tails, boys. Don't tell nobody. The onions, the mushrooms. That is to die for. That is so good. And low carb. Don't let me forget. It is low carb, guys. If you have to eat low carb like me, because I'm type 2 diabetic, this is a perfect meal. You got your omega-3s, your fish, your shrimp, and your gator shake, baby. I hope y'all enjoyed this, guys. Y'all get on back over here where the getting's good and happiness is always just around the corner. Y'all still in there? I see y'all in there. Y'all go check out Billy Strong and Rhonda. Yeah, check them out. Tell them old Calvin said, wow! Get on over. You hear? Yeah. One of these days, I'm gonna go cook with them boys. I'm gonna show them how to do some real Dutch oven cooking. Right as soon as I get back from U2B3. It's coming up in June. Oh boy, it's gonna be awesome. Y'all stick around. Oh dang, it's gonna be awesome. As soon as I get this damn camera turned off. Y'all know there's one more thing you gotta do when you use the gator shake, don't you? When you use it, when you put it on, you gotta shake it, shake it. Gator, shake it. Gator, put it on just like that. Gator, shakes just like the chomp, baby. Woo! Who's your daddy? Gators. Hey, y'all still in there? Y'all still sticking around? Y'all pick it. Go out there and by God, I gotta do this again. Edit.